Today, we're diving into an important topic: the difference between being alone and being lonely. In our fast paced, technology driven world, learning to embrace solitude is more crucial than ever. Being alone and being lonely are often confused, but they're vastly different. Loneliness is a feeling of sadness from isolation, whereas being alone is a state that can be incredibly empowering. In solitude, we find the space to focus on what truly matters. It's a chance to escape the constant distractions of technology and reconnect with ourselves. When we are alone, we can think clearly without the noise of the outside world. Our thoughts can flow freely. Albert Einstein once said, I live in that solitude, which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Solitude allows for uninterrupted reading, letting us dive deeper into books and ideas. As Marcel Proust put it, reading is that fruitful miracle of a communication in the midst of solitude. Alone time is perfect for concentrating on personal projects and goals. It's when our best ideas often surface. I encourage you to embrace being alone sometimes. Turn off your devices, find a quiet space, and just be. Use this time to think, read, and grow. In order to understand the world, one has to turn away from it on occasions. This is what Albert Camus said. The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulate the creative mind. That's also a quote by Albert Einstein. Remember, solitude isn't about isolation. It's about finding a space to thrive without distractions. Embrace it and watch how it transforms your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.